In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create or import contracts in HoneyBook. Whether you're just getting started or tightening up your client process, you'll see exactly where to go and what each option does so you can confidently get a contract into your project. First, open your browser and head to the HoneyBook website. If you're prompted to sign in, do that now so you land on your dashboard. From here, we'll work inside the projects area, which is the hub for every client, event, or job you manage. Open projects. At the top, you'll see options to create a new project or import a spreadsheet. Creating a new project is perfect when you're setting up a single client or engagement. If you already have project details in a spreadsheet, importing can save time by pulling those into HoneyBook in one go. Either way, choose the project you want to work in so we can attach your contract to it. Inside the project, look for the Files section. Files is where all of your documents live. Things like proposals, invoices, questionnaires, and of course, contracts. Click Files, then select Contracts. This brings you to the place where you can either start building a contract or bring in one you've prepared elsewhere. If you're creating a contract in HoneyBook, you'll be able to draft your terms directly on the platform. Keep things professional by clearly stating the scope, deliverables, timelines, payment terms, and cancellation policy. Use consistent naming so you can find this contract quickly later. If your account uses templates, starting from one can speed things up and help you keep language consistent. If you prefer to use an existing document, choose the option to import a PDF. After uploading, review every page for formatting and make sure the text appears clean and readable. Pay special attention to dates, amounts, and any signatures that need to be captured so nothing gets missed. When everything looks good, save your work. Give your file a descriptive name that includes the client and project so it's easy to spot at a glance. You can always come back to Files and Contracts to edit or manage this document as your project evolves. And that's it. You went to HoneyBook, opened projects, created or imported your project details, moved into Files, and used Contracts to create a new agreement or import a PDF. You're done and ready to keep your workflow moving.